Good morning everyone. We are discussing class 6 English literature lesson 11. The chapter is divine music. Okay, topic name is divine music. So today we will start from here. So here we have, yes sir, provided you do not come as the emperor of Hindustan. Okay, so the emperor Akbar wanted to go to that person, one who sings better than Tansen. So Tansen is telling that you should not come as a emperor, you should not come like an emperor, you should come as a simple person. Like, I shall go as a humble lover of music. So the King Akbar, Emperor Akbar is telling that I will go to him becoming an humble lover of music. I will be a simple, humble person, one who loves music more. Then Sant Haridas was the man Tansen had spoken of. Okay, the person, one who sings better than Tansen, his name is Sant Haridas. Okay, so he had been Tansen's music teacher. Who was he? He had been Tansen's music teacher. He taught Tansen how to play the music, and he lived the austere life of a hermit. So how did he was living? He was living austere life, means very simple life. Sant Haridas was living a very simple life of a hermit, means like a monk, like a sannyasi he was living. When Tansen and the emperor reached his hut, he was busy with his daily chores. Okay, when Tansen and emperor they went to Sant Haridas, when they reached in his hut, in his small house, they found that Haridas was doing his daily chores, means daily work. Then when they asked him to sing, he smiled but said firmly. Then after reaching there, they asked him to sing, but he smiled. Haridas, what did he do? He smiled and said firmly, means he said strongly, I am long past the age for singing. Then he is telling, I already become very aged. I have already become very old. I cannot sing. Even his favorite people could not persuade him to change his mind. So his student was Tansen. So he also could not make him. He was his favorite student, but he could not make him to sing. But Tansen knew how to get around him. Then now Tansen realized what he can do for him. He offered to sing before his guru and he made a deliberate mistake. So this Tansen had an idea. He had a plan. So he said that in front of him, means in front of Haridas, he will sing for him, and deliberately made mistake, means he kept on making mistake. Knowingly he made mistakes. That's not the right note, Tansen cried his teacher, amazed. Okay, so Haridas trying to know from Tansen that whether he remembers him or no. So Haridas kept on making mistake. By the time Tansen is telling that that is not the right note, this is the not proper way of singing. Then Tansen cried his teacher, amazed. Then what has happened to you? So he is telling that what has happened to you. So we will study that in the next video.